Welcome everyone. Today we are here to share a very special story with you. It's all about a celebration called Vesak Day.
Vesak Day is the most important day for Buddhists and is celebrated by millions of people all around the world.
It's a day where we celebrate kindness, compassion, and how we live in harmony with ourselves and others.
It celebrates three big moments in the life of Buddha.
His birth, his enlightenment, and his passing away.
Let's find out the story about Buddha's kindness.
Over 2,500 years ago, in a place called Lumbini, a very special baby was born. His name was Siddhartha Gautama.
The wise people said,
I want my son to be a strong and powerful king.
Siddhartha grew up in a beautiful palace. He had everything he wanted: food, music, games, and fun. But the king didn't want Siddhartha to see anything sad or unpleasant, so he kept him inside the palace walls. One day, Siddhartha left the palace and saw things he had never seen before.
first he saw someone who was very sick.
Why is this person hurting? Can this happen to anyone?
Next, he saw someone who was old and weak.
Will I grow old too?
Then, he saw someone very poor and hungry.
Why do people suffer like this?
Finally, he saw a peaceful monk dressed in simple robes.
He looks calm and happy. Maybe he has found the answer.
Siddhartha decided to leave the palace and find out the truth. He wanted to understand why people suffer and how to find peace.
Siddhartha searched and learned. At last, he sat under a big Bodhi tree and began to meditate. He sat for many days and nights, thinking deeply and quietly. Eventually, he understood the truth. He became the Buddha. He awakened when he discovered that peace and happiness comes from kindness, wisdom, and letting go of selfishness.
I have found a way. I will help others achieve peace too.
From that day on, Buddha shared his teachings of love, peace, and kindness. He showed the power of kindness and how it can change the world.
Buddhists believe that Buddha taught people how to live kindly, wisely, and peacefully. Buddhists in many countries celebrate Vesak Day every year. On Vesak Day, many Buddhists go to temples early in the morning to pray and listen to Buddha's teachings.
They offer flowers, lights, candles, and incense and say prayers to respect the Buddha.
People also do good deeds like giving food to the poor or releasing animals like bird or fish to show kindness. Some Buddhists wear white clothes because white resembles peace and purity. They may also spend the day meditating.
Vesak is celebrated remembering the Buddha's message of peace, love, and helping others. It's celebrated around the world in many different countries like today. In Thailand, people release lanterns into the sky, a symbol of letting go and wishing well.
In Sri Lanka, people give food to the hungry and donate blood. In Malaysia, children learn about Buddha and do community service. In Singapore, there are beautiful parades and people light candles for peace.
In Nepal, people decorate their homes and temples with lights and flowers.
Everywhere, kindness brings people together.
In our work and in our
Vesak Day is not just about celebration.
It's also about becoming a better person. Buddha taught that kindness is one of the most important things in life. Helping others bring happiness to them and to us.
On Vesak Day, Buddhists try to follow this teaching. They do kind acts, big or small.
Kindness can be giving a smile,
Or help someone carry their bag. Or listening to someone who's feeling sad. Or just saying something nice to a friend. You don't have to wait for Vesak Day to be kind. We can show kindness every single day.
At home, you can help your family or clean up without being asked.
At school, you can include someone in your game. You can give a compliment to a classmate.
Or say thank you to your teacher or cleaner. Even opening the door for someone is a kind act.
When we are kind to each other, our whole school feels happier.
Let's make kindness a habit, not just for Vesak, but for every day. We created a video to show how we are kind to each other in year 4.
Kindness is a light poem. Kindness is light, gentle, and true.
It lives in me, it lives in you.
A smile, a hug, a helping hand. Together we can make a stand.
On Vesak Day, let kindness shine. In every heart, in yours and mine.
If you ever find yourself stuck in the middle of the sea, I'll sail the world to find you. If you ever find yourself lost in the night you can't see, I'll be the light to guide you. Find out what we're made of, and we are called to help our friends in need. You can count on me, I want to be, I'll be there. And I know when I'm here, I can count on you. I am all free to be there. 'Cause that's what friends are supposed to do, oh yeah. If you're tossing and you're turning and you just can't fall asleep, I'll sing a song beside you. And if you ever forget how much you really mean to me, every day I will remind you. Oh, find out what we're made of, and we are called to help our friends in need. You can count on me, I want to be, I'll be there. And I know when I'm here, I can count on you. I'm all free to be there. 'Cause that's what friends are supposed to do, oh yeah. You'll always have my shoulder when you cry. I'll never let go, never say goodbye. You can count on me, like 1, 2, 3, I'll be there. And I know when I need it, I can count on you. Like 4, 3, 2, you'll be there. 'Cause that's what friends are supposed to do, oh yeah. Count on me, 'cause I can count on you.
We've learned that Vesak Day is a very special Buddhist celebration. It teaches us to be kind, thoughtful, and peaceful. We can all learn from this message, no matter our religion or background.
Thank you for listening, and remember,